we're gonna be unboxing and putting together the Rough Country multi-light controller. All right, let's get started. After unboxing everything, this is all come the switch panel. It feels really good, to be honest, better than the other ones I felt. Like, feels like industrial. The wiring harnesses, and this is the where you're gonna wire. You're gonna put this in the engine bay. Put this in the engine bay, and you wire all your light bars and stuff like that. And I have a 50-inch curved light bar coming. I have the light bar. I'm waiting on the bracket, so that's gonna be the next video. All right, let's see what the first step is to do this. Well, let me just take a picture of this, so if anyone wants to see it. Do is just remove these 4 bolts, and these things are on top of it, and they're like just, I don't know if I'm reusing those. All you gotta do is loosen those, and then you get your your switch panel thing. I don't know what to really call it. I probably gotta go under that. Yes, all right. You could just squeeze this in. And at first, you always want to hand tighten this stuff to the thing. I said to use 11 millimeter. It didn't work for me, so I used what size is this? 12. Because for some reason I couldn't find my 11. You just screw them on by hand first, just to start them. And then you just tighten them with your ratchet or whatever you got. You don't want to go too tight, just tighten this so it doesn't go nowhere. There's 2 screws in here, one right here and one right here. All you gotta do is just unscrew those. Next step just says to pop the shifter thing, but how? They don't really say how you do it, just said pop it. Can I just stick a screwdriver in there? Is it like oh, that was simple. And I gotta remove that little screw right there. Wrong screwdriver. Switch hands. Okay, this is kind of hard because this is in the way. I'm gonna do it like this. There we go. I got it. I don't want to lose that. Make sure I put that screw right there. What's the next step? Pop that. Then I gotta pop this. How do you? I think this actually kind of simple. Remove that one screw. Put that on the floor right there. All right, after popping that, remove the ashtray console. How do I do that? They don't give good damn directions on this. Looks like a screw in it. No. I feel like a little gap on that side. Let's see if I can get some luck. No, I just broke that. That's not the way to take it out. Can I lift up this whole thing? This thing's kind of loose. What's the best way to do this? Like clips. Okay, I feel it back here. Oh, I can't see it now. Maybe it's up here. Please return the location to remove 7. Oh, I don't need that. After about like 5 minutes of trying to break this and pry this out, I finally got it out. It kind of needs some cleaning, but we're gonna cover that anyways. All right, the next step is to remove and install the plates. Grab your new switch panel, run the wire down under here just so you can like plug it in later. You're gonna put it, line it up the way you want it, make sure it's nice and tight, and you gotta drill 4 holes. I think it's a 1/4 drill bit you need. Let me blah blah blah. Yeah. All right, come back after I'm done your holes. All you want to do is put in these Allen head screws. Just do them in. They came with freaking nuts, but like it's gonna be impossible for you to freaking reach your hand down there and screw in the nut. Like I'm pushing on it right now, up, and it's not coming up. Like it's not moving. So I'm gonna just leave it like that. Keep them just in case if you need them in the future. Okay, what's the next step? Next step will be just a drill, screw in, attach. What? So I just gotta wire it myself. It don't tell me how to wire it. All right, let's wire it now. To wire it, kind of pain. You want to get a screw. All right, to wire it's kind of pain in the ass. You want to get a freaking screwdriver and go up here. There's like a rubber grommet. You can't really see it, but it's right up here. You gotta push it forward. You push the wire through. Then when you get it through, it'll come out right down there, right with all these. Then you just. It's probably not a good idea to tug it like this. And come over here. How do I want to wire it? Like over, under. Put down the phone first. Come there. I'll make this crap. You got it through, then you want to plug it in. Wire it through. You want to come to the inside and start routing your wire. So you go, I'll probably go from back here. Yeah, that's probably the easiest. Go under. I go through. I could go through there. All right, let me get it done. I'll come back when I wired it. All I did is run it through this back slot right here. You can't really see it. And it came out just right there. So it'll make it easy for you. All you gotta do is just plug it in. And now I'm gonna tidy all this up, screw everything back into it, pull the extra wires. Probably I'll put all the extra stuff in the engine bay. So all this will get pulled through and pulled out. All right, in there, through that little hole, and connect them to your battery. Return the most. All you really want to do is just clean it up a lot. Like, I'll show you what I'm doing. Use some zip ties, route it around like this to make it look way better. Show that you did it right. When you click the switches, you see the blue lights. I still gotta just tidy up those wires down there. And this is how I get my. So let me shut the car off. Shut up. So the next video is gonna be doing a 50-inch curved light bar around the windshield. I got the light bar in, the rough country light bar. I'm just waiting for the bracket. It's supposed to come in tomorrow. So the next like 2 or 3 days there should be a video out putting the light bar in. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and thank you. Bye.